We all have moments in life when we feel weighed down by our past experiences or overwhelmed by self-pity. It's easy to become a prisoner of your own thoughts, feeling stuck in a situation you dislike. The natural inclination might be to wallow in that feeling, hold on to it, and let it define you. You see, life is an endless journey filled with peaks and valleys. When you hold on to the pain from your past, it's like carrying a heavy backpack while trying to climb a mountain. Every step becomes more difficult. Each ascent feels like an unbearable struggle, and you can't enjoy the beauty surrounding you because you're too consumed with the weight you're carrying. You can't move forward when you're dragging your past along with you. You know, your real essence is freedom, pure and unrestricted. Don't let your thoughts fool you into believing that you're anything less. Your mind has this incredible power to make you feel trapped, even when there are no physical bars holding you back. Your thoughts can be like a thick fog, obscuring the open sky of freedom that is your true nature. It's all too easy to think that you are the sum of your problems, your physical body, or the swirling thoughts in your head. In doing so, you give immense power to these transient things. They begin to overshadow your real essence, making them appear more substantial than they truly are. But here's the heart-opening truth you need to embrace. You are not your problems, your body, or your thoughts. You are far more incredible and limitless than these fleeting aspects of life. Let's talk about taking charge of your thoughts. Thoughts can be like unruly children. Left unattended, they run wild and create chaos. You might think they have overtaken you, but remember, you are the adult in the room. Your primary task is to observe your thoughts, not to react to them impulsively. This brings us to wisdom. Wisdom isn't about manipulating every external circumstance to your liking. Rather, it's about working on yourself, developing patience, increasing self-awareness, and becoming a better version of you. Why? Because changing the outside world is often beyond your control, but transforming yourself is completely in your hands. The more you understand yourself, the more you can adapt to whatever comes your way with grace and poise. Don't compare yourself to others. Letting go of the urge to compare yourself to others is like unlocking a secret door to happiness. It's easy to get caught up in the trap of looking sideways, measuring your progress against other people's journeys. But guess what? When you focus on your own path, something incredible happens. The internal chatter quiets down, and you begin to see the beauty in your own unique journey. Start by showering yourself with the same care and attention you'd give to someone you love deeply. Prioritize your well-being. This doesn't mean you're selfish or uncaring towards others. It means you recognize that you can only share your best self with the world when you are at your best. When something bad happens, laugh. Because you understand that whatever happens isn't happening to the real you. It's happening to the ego, the persona you've built up through years of social conditioning and experiences. You see, nothing can truly hurt you. That might sound crazy, but it's grounded in a deep, transformative truth. You are not your body, and you are not your mind. These are merely vehicles, facilitating your journey through the physical world. The essence of who you are is pure consciousness, unchanging, eternal, and indestructible. The realization of this truth marks the beginning of an incredible journey, a journey inward to discover your authentic self. People are drawn to you not because of what you have done or what you have, but because you have an aura of peace and goodness that cannot be missed. This isn't something you find in the world outside. It's a state of being you awaken within yourself. You're not discovering something new. You're simply becoming who you've always been, your true self. Believe it or not, the universe is on your side, supporting you in this incredible journey. The only roadblock? It's not other people, not circumstances, but your own thoughts. These thoughts are often cluttered with worries about the future or regrets about the past, creating a web of illusion that makes you feel stuck or burdened. Your heart is a sanctuary, a sacred space where you can retreat anytime you feel overwhelmed by life's complexities. In this sanctuary, realize that everything is as it should be. You are cradled in the loving embrace of the universe, a force that wishes you no harm but serves as the foundation of all the love that fills the world. When you open yourself up to this cosmic love, a transformation begins to unfold in your life. Problems that once seemed insurmountable start to dissolve, almost as if by magic. Why? Because love is not just an emotion. It's a form of pure consciousness, an expression of divine power that permeates every aspect of existence. Love becomes your compass, guiding you through challenges and offering solutions that the analytical mind could never conceive. Most problems are born out of a belief in separation or a sense of a lack of love. When you adopt a mindset of love, you break down these artificial barriers and see yourself as a connected part of the universe. So love everything and everyone, because all that you encounter is an extension of yourself. Loving others is not an act of charity, but an act of recognizing your own self in various forms. If you stop pretending to be yourself and make today better than yesterday, you've made your life infinitely richer, more meaningful, and deeply fulfilling. If you are still watching, may the divine God bless you today. I wish you a wonderful day.